Yo, we are starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Starbucks going about 2 miles. I'm almost positive this has no tip on it because most of the mileage is actually getting to the restaurant. The drop off is like one street over, so.
Hi, thanks for choosing Starbucks. Can I get you started with any food today?
No, I just had a DoorDash pickup for ICS.
ISIS? Yeah, I got it. Here you go. It's all in the bag.
Thank you. Did I call it or did I call it? No tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. Next order up is a Jack in the Box. This one is going 4 miles.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It says, "We appreciate you lots." We'll see how much you actually appreciate me in a second. Total for that order was $9. Okay, you appreciate me. Thank you, thank you. Next up, we've got a McDonald's going 4.5 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
Total for that order was $8. Not bad. Next up, we've got a Subway going across the river. This one, I think it said it was going 7 miles or 7.5, something like that. Surely this order that's only one sandwich and one drink is going to be worth my while. What a joke. Why did I take this? No tip, huh? That is crazy. Total for that one was $7 and change. Next order up, we've got a Panera. This one is taking me back into my zone, so that's a good thing. This is $9 going 6 miles. Thank you.
Good morning.
Morning.
Thank you.
Just got the next order. This is a McDonald's, $9 going less than 2 miles. That last order took me literally 8 minutes. Next up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one is $7 going 3.5 miles. Got this next order right away. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 2 miles, 10 items. Kind of high on the item count, but we've got a few repeats, so it's not as bad as it sounds. Two of these. Two of these. Two of these. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 3 miles.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Krispy Kreme and Starbucks going about 7.5 miles.
For you.
Thank you.
Go ahead, good day.
You too. Total for that stack was $24. Okay, wow. That was actually really good. Thank you very much to both of them. Next order up, we've got a Taco Bell going 2 miles. I didn't see anybody inside, but let's double check the drive-thru.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points today?
It's gonna be just one more minute. If you want to pull right around to the front, right by the front doors, and I'll run it out to you, man.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Have a good rest of your day.
Was there a box thing with it?
I believe it's all in the bag with napkins and
Okay. And that was a no tip. Very nice. Total for that one was $6. I can't tell you how many times they tried to give me this order, but they finally stacked it with something that's decent. We've got a stacked order. This is going to 2 different people. We've got Kitchen Table Cafe. That's the one that they were spamming me with. And Seize the Bagel. $22 going just under 10 miles. Yeah. Jennifer?
Right here for you.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, of course. What do you do with that? Oh,
yeah.
Are you recording now or no?
I am.
Are you are?
Do you want to say hi?
I do. What's up?
I'll be honest, I did not expect that one to be ready. Okay, I'm gonna start heading home, and if I don't get an order, then oh well. Current time is 10:10. Current total, we are at 105, and we're just waiting on the tips for the stack that I just did. So that should bring it up to like 120, maybe a little bit more. Either way, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.